DJ, you done studying your poem? Huh? You got it memorized?
DJ, where's your backpack? Where's Darcy?
I don't know who these kids are.
Huh?
I don't know what y'all are. DJ, you done studying?
It looks like it.
What is more important, your poem or soccer?
Well,
Both? Okay.
We gotta make dinner.